What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do the next giveaway. So if you guys don't want to see nothing that's got to do with the giveaway, please skip to the 4-minute mark, and you can see the video. But for those of you that do want to watch the giveaway, let's do it.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna do the giveaway. As you can see, I'm on YouTube watching RDBLA, and we are gonna go back to my channel, videos, right here. Okay, so
you've seen the silicone rings.
yes, I've seen the silicone rings. Okay, guys, so we're gonna scroll down, and the answer for the question was liquid polymer. As you can see, Crash Life. So that's one person that got it right. Now we got liquid polymer is correct. Okay, so we got Fernando. Now get it. Nate Castell, you didn't get it, man. So Crash Life, I got you already. Fabian Munoz, liquid polymer, yes. Okay, Richard Bricker, you too. And then this one. So we got, let me see, Richard Bricker, that's one. Fabian Munoz, that's two. Crash Life, that's three. Fernando Gomez, that's four. Crash Life, I got you already. So we're four. There's four of you. So I'm gonna bring your names to the random picker and see you guys right there. Okay, guys. So we are in this app. It's a different app. I find this one a little bit better. So we got the four names right here on the side. As you can see, those are the four people that actually got the right answer. So we're gonna go ahead and spin the wheel. So here we are. Each one of you guys got four names, as you can see, in different color. So the white one is Crash Life. As you can see, you got one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. And then for each name, it's got a different color. Fernando Gomez got the dark gray, weather gray, 1, 2, and 3, and 4 back here. So then Fabian Munoz is the blue. So we got one time right here, another one right here, another one right here, and another one right here. And then we got Richard Bricker in the red. So that's 4 times. So let's go ahead and hit the spin. And here, whoever comes out, guys, is the winner. Leave a comment so I can send you an email, or email me. I'll leave the email address. There we go, Crash Life. I'll leave the email address in my video description. So go down there, send me an email so we could get your address and send you the ceramic coating, guys. So that's pretty much for the giveaway. I'll probably make a different video because I don't want to take too much talking about this in my regular videos. I know that you guys want to see the car stuff, but I do gotta make some time for the giveaway. And well, that's it. Crash Life, email me so we could get this thing going. Thanks for the rest of you guys. That means that the other 3 of you guys, doesn't mean that you can't win no more. I'm still got 3 more besides the one that I just gave away right now. 3 more coatings. So stay tuned for my next video so I could tell you what to do. Now let's get back to the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Cali Rebuildables. What's up, guys? As you can see, I'm kind of dirty. So this video is gonna continue where I stopped on my last video, working on the Navigator. Remember, I did the h.i.ds. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try to install the door handle. I'm gonna install the door handle from the driver's side. So let me go ahead and try to install this. Like I said, as you can see, the door handle is broken. I have the brand new door handle right here. Let me get my scissors out, and here it is. Oh They used a lot of plastic on it, which is good because it'll prevent it from scratching and stuff like that. But I mean, they're gonna get scratched anyways, especially if you have kids. Sorry guys, I had to put you guys down. I need both hands, but at least you see that I'm trying to remove this film that they, man, this thing is hard. I think I did it worse by trying to pull it instead of trying to unwrap it. Okay, there we go. There it is. It's gonna go right here. So let me figure this thing out. I don't think I'm gonna need the manual for this, but if I do, I know that I'll have that expert, my sidekick, my manual sidekick that knows exactly how to install this. Just in case I don't figure it out, then you know the manual is gonna help me out. So let me put you guys on the tripod.
Oh man, it looks worse than the other one. Now it looks yellow. And that one looks better than this one. I hate it. I hate it because it looks yellow. I think this one looks bluer than that one now. So I guess I might have to reorder those. Darker, maybe 6K. Because right now they're 5K, the OEM color, supposedly. And I guess they're right because those are the OEM. And I ordered the OEM, so those gotta look like those. And that's not what I was expecting. I'm still gonna order some new ones, some darker bluish. Some darker blue ones, maybe like a 6K.
What's up guys, totally different day. So remember I didn't like the headlights because they were kind of yellowish, so I ordered some new bulbs. These are the 8000, so they're gonna be a little bit more bluer. Hopefully they look better than the ones they have. So the same process, I'm gonna install the 8000K. I'm not gonna go through the process of showing you how to remove the headlight already because you just saw how to do it. So I'm just gonna skip all that, and in a couple seconds you'll see the difference between the 8K and the 3K and the 5K. I mean 5000K and 8000K. So see you guys in a bit, guys. Okay, so I already got that side done. That one's the 5K, the brand new 5K, and that's the brand new 8000K. I know I said 5K, but that's 5000K. This is 8000K. So let's check out the difference. Okay, so that should be the low beams, and that's the fog lights. So there's the difference. I don't know if you could tell the difference. Yeah, I'm sure you do. Still the bottom ones, I don't know why they look green, but you can see the top one looks purplish, bluish, purplish, and that one looks yellow. See, right now you might be seeing 3 different colors. The fog lights green, which in person they look pretty much white. That one looks purplish, bluish, and then that one looks yellow. Now those two in person, I know right now they look different on the camera like I said, but in person they look pretty identical. So yeah, way better. 8000K on the projector looks way better. I'm pretty sure if I bring the 8000K down here, it will be super blue, like way bluer. But the projector, I guess, you know, makes it whiter. I don't know why, but yep, definitely like the 8000K better. I'm gonna switch that one out, and okay, so now we're gonna check both low beams in 8000K. And if you see the hue, like the purple hue, there you go. Check this side out. Tabito, move. Look at that side. Honestly, they look pretty cool, guys. Okay, guys. So there's that. I'm gonna wait for the till the night so you guys could check it out at night. I'm gonna tell my wife to go around the block and I'm gonna record it so you can see the 8000K from far away. Up to now, I really like them. I definitely recommend the 8000K. If you got projectors. If you don't have projectors, most likely they're gonna look pretty ugly. But if you like the OEM look, like those BMWs that look kind of purple and stuff like that, like the headlights, and if you go with 5K, they look kind of yellowish. So I'm pretty sure you're not gonna like them. But if you do like the way the BMWs look, like the brand new BMWs, you see them like on the freeway behind you or in front of you. You know, when you see that purple light from far away, that bluish purple light. If you like those, you're definitely gonna like the 8000K, guys. So see you guys when it gets dark.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video description.
Okay, guys. So it's night. Time to check out the 8000K h.i.ds on the Navigator. So here we go. Okay, as you can see right here, the top ones are the 8000K and the bottom ones are the fog lights are 5000K. So you can see the difference. And let me know which ones you like the best or which one you like better. I still don't know why they look kind of green on the camera, but see these top ones, they look purplish. That's what I want. That's what I wanted. So my wife's gonna take it around the block right now so we can see it from farther away. I'll probably buy the fog lights now. See how it's blinking? I'll probably buy the fog lights in 4300. But the 8000Ks on the projector look really nice. She's gonna go out that way and she's gonna come through here. Okay, there she comes. Check that out. They look really cool. They look bluer on the camera, guys, but in person they look like the OEM, like a nice OEM headlight, one that looks like purplish white. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. I had to close the garage now. So let me know what you guys think of the h.i.ds. Do you like better the 8000K or the 5000K? I really don't like the blue fog lights. Like I said, I'm gonna switch them out. But thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Subscribe if you haven't. That's pretty much it. I'm still gonna do a couple things on the Navigator. I have already started. You guys haven't seen it yet because I haven't uploaded the video, but the Navigator's got rims now. It's tinted, and I did something on the tail lights. But let me know what you guys think of the video. Like I said, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.